Debt to income ratio is a combination of all your debts, so your installment loans, such as a car payment or maybe a boat payment, plus a combination of all your revolving debts, which would be a credit card, and you're going to divide that by your gross income that you receive each month, and that's going to give us a percentage, and that's going to be your debt to income ratio. It ensures that there's a low enough risk to where it works for both the bank and yourself. That way you're not spending too much money on your home and you're not taking away from your other monthly expenses.
If somebody comes to me after they've been approved for a home loan and wants to add additional credit, buy a car, buy some furniture before the home closes, I always advise them not to do that. They've been approved on a debt-to-income ratio that they have, and if they change that when they go to close, they may not qualify anymore and they may lose the house that they want.